Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best non-stick ceramic cookware set on the market right now. The Bazova 17-piece ceramic non-stick cookware set. Whether you're cooking at home, outfitting a camper, or looking for a healthier alternative to traditional cookware, this might just be your new kitchen staple. Let's dive into what makes this set truly special. First off, let's talk about health. Bazova uses a ceramic coating that's completely free from PFAs, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. That means no toxic fumes, no questionable chemicals, and nothing you wouldn't want near your food. This is especially ideal for families with babies or anyone being cautious about what they cook with. The non-toxic ceramic surface ensures peace of mind while also making cleanup a breeze. Now, about that design. This set is made for smart storage. If you've ever struggled with overcrowded kitchen cabinets or tiny RV cupboards, you'll appreciate how these pieces nest together. Bazova claims you can save up to 70% of your kitchen space. That's not just a marketing pitch. The detachable handles make it possible to stack and store the pans like plates. It's clever, minimalist, and seriously space efficient. Speaking of handles, this set's got a trick up its sleeve. With just a simple click, you can attach or detach the handles, turning your pots and pans into oven-ready bakeware, serving dishes, or even storage containers that can go straight into the fridge. The handles are made of Bakelite and silicone, so they're heat-resistant, but Bazova warns not to leave them attached while cooking under high heat. They can discolor or burn. It's all about versatility and mindful use. Let's not forget what really counts: performance. Bazova's ceramic coating offers 5 times the non-stick power compared to traditional surfaces. Food literally slides right off, no scraping or soaking required. That means you can cook with less oil, enjoy healthier meals, and save time on cleanup. But there is a catch: using spray oils can damage the coating. The brand recommends a small amount of butter or oil and keeping your heat settings low to medium. Follow that, and this set will stay non-stick for a long time. And while it is dishwasher safe, Bazova recommends hand washing to preserve that ceramic coating. Just a rinse or gentle wipe is usually enough. It's low maintenance and keeps that clean, cream white look intact for the long run. In terms of materials, you're getting aluminum for excellent heat conduction, ceramic for that slick surface, and a thoughtfully chosen set of pieces that make cooking, and even serving, feel seamless. It's a full set designed to support every part of your cooking routine. To sum it up, the Bazova 17-piece ceramic cookware set isn't just stylish, it's engineered for smart kitchens, health-conscious cooks, and small spaces. It adapts, stacks, bakes, stores, and cleans like a dream. If you're on the lookout for your next cookware upgrade, this might just be the set that checks every box. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more deep dives into the products that matter most. See you next time.